Fish is beautifully cooked and the crisp bread on top gives it texture. It's delicious.
This is my passion, my dream. I'm willing to dedicate everything I have to be a master chef.
After a nervous start, Elisa performed well in the restaurant. Now she's hoping to continue the momentum with a Mediterranean-inspired two-course menu.
With a look at these lovely ingredients, are we going to get food from your homeland?
It's a dish that you eat in Lebanon, you know, on the seaside.
What are you doing?
I'm doing a millefeuille of red mullet and langoustine with aubergine caviar and tahini. And for starter, it's cherry tomato tart.
So that's not really Lebanese, is it?
No, this is not a Lebanese dish.
Is your biggest issue today timing?
Yeah, I have to get it right.
And if you do get it right, can you win today?
Definitely. It's a lovely dish. I hope you're going to enjoy it.
Lisa's just got to keep her nerves and cook very, very well because I love the ingredients on her bench. Will she complete it in time? And will she have the beautiful edge that it needs to make her a quarter-finalist?
You've got 1 minute! That's it. Time's up. Walk away. Time's up.
Elisa is hoping to secure a quarter-final place with her cherry tomato tart with basil oil, followed by a main of red mullet with seared langoustine, aubergine and potatoes.
Sweet, sweet tomato, and then the heavy, almost metallic taste of basil. It's very decent, but it's not wow.
It's a tasty dish, but trying to pick it up with a knife and fork is a difficult thing. And when you want to eat food and you can't, it becomes disappointing.
Finish with the tart, bring in your mullet dish. I think that's beautiful. It's little hints of garlic, hint of almost peanut butter like tahini. Very clever to involve lots of other green ingredients and still let the fish be the star of the show.
Thank you.
The aubergine is rich with garlic, the fish is beautifully cooked, and the crisp bread on top gives it texture. It's delicious.
This is my passion, my dream. I'm willing to dedicate everything I have to be a master chef.
Well done, you three. You guys have worked very, very hard. We only have one quarter-final place, and we have made that decision.
Our winner, our quarter-finalist, is Elisa.
Thank you.
Well done.
I'm all shaky. I still can't believe I'm here. It's taken over my life. I'm that determined.
Knowing the fact that I made a mess of it probably makes it even worse than it should be.
I've thoroughly enjoyed myself, and it's no way going to stop me from getting to where I want to be.
I went through.
Elisa will be back for the quarter-final, where she'll face 3 other exceptional cooks.